My name is Kim Davies. I'm a postdoctoral fellow here at Dalhousie University in the Oceanography Department. I'm part of the Liber Aero Fellowship Program in Canadian Conservation Research, so I'm an oceanographer and also a conservation scientist. And I am the lead postdoc on the Miapara Whales Habitat and Listening Experiment project. Yeah, so the Whales Habitat and Listening Experiment, the acronym is the Whale Project, uses mobile autonomous underwater drones called gliders that are equipped with these passive listening devices, essentially underwater microphones that can record whale sounds. So what's really interesting about the gliders is that we can send them out from shore, and they can stay out for several weeks to several months in offshore areas, and they're diving deep under the water and listening for and recording these whale sounds. And every couple of hours, they can come to the surface and communicate that data to my lab here at Dalhousie. And so using that system, we can actually now monitor for these whales in real time. And so on the response side, now that we've set up this ability to, in an automated way, monitor for these animals, which in itself is very new, we are setting up, starting in Nova Scotia, an alerting system to actually send that data out as an alert out to ships in the area to alert them of the presence particularly of endangered species, endangered right whales in particular, who are often getting hit by ships. So right now we are working to, for the first time, be able to set up a real-time alerting system to help reduce the risk of whale ship collisions in Canada. Nobody has done that before, and the way that we're approaching it is, once we have this real-time monitoring data coming in, to actually use an array of cell phone towers, Bell Alliance cell phone towers across Nova Scotia, and those cell phone towers can receive signals that ships broadcast over VHF radio saying, this is where I am, this is what kind of ship I am. We can also use those same towers, put these little transceivers on them that send messages out to ships over those same frequencies, and be able to efficiently and autonomously set up this alerting system in a way that is consistent with their ship bridge protocols. So it's going to be very innovative once it happens, and we're in the testing phase right now. Yeah. So on the academic side, within the Whales Habitat Listening Experiment project, we have a prof here who's leading it, Chris Taggart, in the Department of Oceanography, and so him and I kind of co-created the project. So we are kind of leading this response portion where we're using the data for an alerting system. And our colleague Mark Baumgartner at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, he actually developed the real-time listening device that's on the glider. So there was like a technology development side that he has been involved in. But on the alerting side, we wouldn't be able to do this without the help of the fleet. So the Shipping Federation of Canada has helped us to actually survey the fleet and ask them how would they like to receive this information. So there are a number of automated ways that we could give them these alerts, and we wanted to do it in a way that was consistent with their bridge safety protocols and that kind of thing. And they said they didn't want cell phone apps, they didn't want any internet websites, they wanted this, through this automatic information system, the way that they're used to getting these kinds of things. Bell Alliance, it's their cell phone towers that we're using. Fisheries and Oceans Canada is a big partner. They support the project on the alerting side, financially, and also we're hoping they're going to be involved now through the ocean production plan in a sustainability capacity. So we're proving that this can work. We're working on the science and the research side of things, working out the problems during the research and development phase, but we're not really capable of sustaining it ourselves in the long term, it would need to go to someone like DF4 or Environment Canada or one of the ocean technology companies here in Halifax.